Thanks for installing ArriveSpy. This is a quick getting started guide, so let's get to it. The first thing we want to check is to make sure that your currently active Shopify theme is compatible with ArriveSpy. In the setup section here, you can see if your theme is compatible or not. We support pretty much all themes released over the last 2 to 3 years, but if for some reason yours isn't compatible, you can find a new one on the Shopify theme store. We're compatible with all modern themes, even the free ones. So let's go over to our Shopify products. I'll just pick the first one here as an example. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you'll see meta fields. Click View All. ArriveSpy is going to add 2 meta fields to your products, earliest and latest. Earliest represents the soonest that your customers will receive the product. So if you normally have 1 day of processing time and at least 1 day of shipping time, then we could set this to 2. For latest, it's the maximum time that you expect your product to arrive. So maybe if it takes 4 days to ship to somewhere far from your warehouse, and you still have that 1 day of processing time, this would be 5. So you'd set those 2 values and click Save. You're going to want to do this for every single product that you want to use with ArriveSpy. But if you do have a lot of products and their arrival times are similar, wait till the end of this guide and I'll show you something you can do for that. So I'm back in the ArriveSpy app. All we have to do now is add ArriveSpy to our product pages. So I'll click Setup in Theme Editor. We're adding to our product pages, so I'll select Products from my search. And from here, I want to click Add Block anywhere that I want to show my arrival times. You can see here it says Arrival Time by ArriveSpy. Now I've got my arrival time showing up, and I can move this to anywhere that I want on the page. Let's put it above the price, just to make it easy for our customers to see. So here we can see that we're now showing an arrival time. You can also customize the message to be whatever you want. And now it says, get it by. And that's all you have to do. So the last thing I want to show you is what to do if you have a lot of products that have the same arrival time. So I'm looking at a product here called Broken Sun, and you'll notice that it doesn't have an arrival message on it. That's because I didn't set an earliest and latest arrival time for this product yet. But I can use default arrival times by checking this box. And now any product that doesn't have a earliest and latest meta field set will use these values as its arrival time. So I can set these to 2 or 3, however many days, and it'll show this for all of my products unless you set an arrival time on that specific product in the meta fields. Thanks again for installing ArriveSpy. If you have any problems, you can click over here and I'll contact support and we'll take care of you.